name is John Murphy. I am a piano tuner and technician. I have a piano tuning business called Murphy Piano Tuning and Repair, and I'm the initiator and the curator of the public pianos through Irish Rail. This piano was the original public piano that went into Pearse Station. This piano has probably become kind of iconic from where it was, and then for a place like Ozanam House to take this piano and to be able to utilize it and to like teach kids and teach adults how to play piano. Digital pianos have their place, but I don't think anything can replace the real deal. There's a relationship that people can form with an acoustic piano.
So I'm Geraldine O'Driscoll and I am the centre manager here in Osmond House. I've been with Osmond House now for the last 5 years. Osmond House is a community resource centre, Society of St. Vincent de Paul service, operating in one of the most disadvantaged areas in Dublin 1. We have about 500 people coming in during the week. We just want to thank the Iarnród Éireann for the donation of the piano, and also, our music programme needs to be supported financially, and they will be giving us the funding to provide the piano lessons for the next couple of years. So that's a huge partnership for us, and it will be of great benefit to the centre.
It's just going to make a massive difference to us, to the music programme here. Just people having that, like a proper piano in the building is great.
This piano has been included in children's books, it's been in like TV shows, even like, I think David Letterman and like Glenn Hansard, they were shooting a show in Dublin and they made a trip over to Pearse Station. Lots and lots of people have sat down at this. I don't even know half of them. It's unbelievable. I think it's just given the city something nice, a good story.
Hi, my name is Zile and I am a member of the piano class. People in the center who facilitate the course are incredible. The instructor is incredible. The people who are in the class are incredible. And it is all done in an affordable and easy to follow along manner. So I don't even know how I would have been able to manage if the center wasn't here. I think it would still be kind of like one of those things that you're gonna get to, okay, I'll learn music, I'll learn piano, and you never get around to it. But with this, I've been able to actually do it.
Just to start off in somewhere like Pearse, and then to have this piano, have another lease of life, and have other, adults and kids, want to play the piano. You can't really ask for any more than that, can you?